So the next question is the quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros is -5 and their product is 6. So we want to find out the quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros, say s, is given -5 and product is given as 6. So we know that if sum and product of zeros is given, then how to find out polynomial? So polynomial will be equal to x square minus sx plus p. So placing the values of x, s and p, so x square minus 5 into x plus 6. So the answer is x square plus 5x plus 6. The option A is the right answer. Then the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocal of the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So मान लेते हैं let alpha beta are zeros of given polynomial f of x. F of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, and product of zeros alpha beta constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Now we want to find out a polynomial whose zeros are reciprocal of the zeros of f of x. So let 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta are zeros of required polynomial. So sum of zeros of the required polynomial will be equal to 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So taking LCM alpha beta, beta plus alpha. So beta plus alpha, it is minus b upon a divided by c upon a. So from here minus b upon a into a upon c. A cancel हो गया, so it is equal to minus b upon c. Then product of zeros of new polynomial, new required polynomial. So 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta. So 1 upon alpha beta की वैल्यू है c upon a. So further it is equal to a divided by c. So therefore the required polynomial is equal to x square minus sx plus p. x square minus s की वैल्यू minus b upon c into x and p की वैल्यू a upon c. So from here x square plus b upon c x plus a upon c. So multiplying this equation with c, so answer is c x square plus b x plus a. So the right option is option C. Then if the sum of the squares of the zeros of quadratic polynomial f of x, x square minus 8x plus k is 40, then the value of k is, we will have to find out the value of k. So again इसमें given है कि sum of the squares of the zeros of the polynomial. So मान लेते हैं इसकी दो zeros हैं, alpha और beta are two zeros of the polynomial. So given has sum of squares of the polynomial means alpha square plus beta square, it is given equal to 40. Okay. Also the polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 8x plus k. So first of all let us find out the value of sum of zeros means alpha plus beta equals to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x is minus 8 and coefficient of x square is 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to 8. And product of zeros, alpha beta is equal to ratio of constant term and coefficient of x square. So constant term here is k and coefficient of x square is 1. So alpha beta is equal to k. Now we have given the value of alpha square plus beta square is equal to 40. Here we will apply the identity. Which identity? A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So alpha square plus beta square will be equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 40. Alpha plus beta is 8 square minus 2 alpha beta is k is equal to 40, which implies 64 minus 2k equals to 40. So from here 2k equal to 64 minus 40, which is further equals to 2k equals to 24 and k will be equal to 12. So the right option is option D. Then if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial kx square plus 4x plus 4, then such that alpha square plus beta square is 24, then the value of k is, again this is a similar question as the previous one. So here the given polynomial is p of x is equal to kx square plus 4x plus 4. So first of all, alpha beta are the zeros of this polynomial. So therefore sum of zeros alpha plus beta is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and product of zeros alpha beta, it is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So it is alpha beta is 4 upon k. Now we have given the value of alpha square plus beta square equals to 24. Again applying the identity, which is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 24. Alpha plus beta is minus 4 divided by k whole square minus 2 into 4 upon k is equal to 24. So minus 4 upon k the whole square, it is 16 upon k square minus 8 upon k equals to 24. So taking the LCM, LCM आ गया k square LCM, तो 16 minus 8k equals to 24. So which is equal to 16 minus 8k is equal to 24 k square. So this implies 24 k square plus 8k minus 16 equals to 0. So taking 8 as common, 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. So from here 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will solve this equation by separating the middle term. So 3k square प्लस मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट करनी है. सो प्रोडक्ट चाहिए हमें 3 and 2, 6 माइनस 6 प्रोडक्ट चाहिए. तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 3k minus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. So taking 3k common, k plus 1 minus 2 common, k plus 1 equals to 0. So from here 3k minus 2 into k plus 1 equals to 0. So either 3k minus 2 equal to 0 or k plus 1 equals to 0. So from here 3k equals to 2 or k equals to 2 by 3, and from here k plus 1 equal to 0, so which gives us k equal to minus 1. So we got two values of k, minus 1 and 2 by 3. So the right option is option C. Then the value of k is such that the polynomial x square minus k plus 6 into x plus 2 into 2k minus 1 has sum of its zeros equal to half of their product. So let this polynomial denote this polynomial by p of x. Let us denote this polynomial by p of x. So p of x is equal to x square minus k plus 6 into x plus 2 into 2k minus 1. So हमें गिवन है कि इसकी जीरो सम ऑफ zeros of this polynomial is equal to half of their product, 1 by 2 into product of its zeros. Sum of zeros is minus coefficient of x, which is minus into k plus x divided by coefficient of x square 1. So it is equal to 1 by 2 into product of zeros is ratio of constant term, and constant term here is 2k minus 1 and divided by coefficient of x square. So minus minus plus k plus 6 equal to, here 2 cancel, 2k minus 1, so which implies 2k minus k is equal to 6 plus 1, k is equal to 7. So the right option is option B.